This is probably one of the easiest recipes we made on this channel. Pasta with cottage cheese, Romanian style. Now there is no pasta with cottage cheese, especially in northern region of Romania, where I'm coming from, without smoked bacon. And I don't even know if bacon is the right word for this, because it's not the regular bacon that you see in the UK or in the US. It's more fat than actually meat, and it's got the rind, which is used in this situation because once you cook it, it gets nice and crispy. Now we're gonna set the pan on medium heat and we're gonna extract that fat from the bacon until it gets crispy, and you're not gonna throw away the fat because it's quite good in combination with the cheese. While the bacon is cooking, we're gonna get the pasta water on the heat and cook our pasta al dente. In this situation, we're using tagliatelle pasta, but you can go with whichever you prefer. As you can see, we ended up with quite a lot of fat after crisping up all this smoked bacon, so we're gonna remove half of the fat. You could use this in future recipes to give smoke flavor to your dish. Now add the pasta over the bacon and cook it for a minute or two, or until it absorbs some of that flavor from the smoked bacon. Now we're going in with the cottage cheese, which we're gonna crumble it before. Now mix everything together and turn off the heat. And serve this immediately with a spoon of sour cream.